The Bebot quietly and discreetly cleans up to 32,000 square feet of beach an hour, roughly the size of 7 basketball courts. It's powered by solar power and battery power. My name is Pat DePlasco. I'm Executive Director with Keep Pinellas Beautiful. We are the Keep America Beautiful affiliate right here in Pinellas County. We're here to do a demonstration of the trash that's left behind. And we're finding that by bringing our robot, the Bebot, to the beach, and it's going and it's scooping about 2 inches down underneath the surface of the sand and picking up all the debris from there. It sorts it, shakes it through, kind of like a sifter. And then what we're doing is sorting through this and then identifying what's there. Cigarette butts, bottle caps, plastic pieces, straws, and so forth. The whole purpose of this is to educate people so that they'll be mindful of what they're leaving behind at the beach. 80% of all litter starts out on land and ends up in our waterways. We're out here week after week after week trying to keep these beaches beautiful because we want to preserve our paradise. Keep Pinellas Beautiful and all Keep America Beautiful affiliates are always looking for volunteers to be involved with us. But the whole idea behind volunteering with one of our affiliates is that you're coming together to solve a problem.
Keeps nature, beautiful like it should be. Originally from Georgia, so I've always been involved in the community, so I just moved here recently. It's just a great way to get involved in the community, that I'm new to.
I'd love to see everybody just doing it on their own. If you see a piece of litter, bend down and pick it up. It's as simple as that.